Yes, 2 points by Samuel. By number 25, jump ball, blue ball. Rio 16. Rio pass to number 9, back by Samuel. Yes, 2 points by Samuel. Score 4-2 in favor of the great team. Mavericks. Good. 21. 16 again. Yep. Oh, good. Great ball, great ball. Winning time, 6 minutes and 50 seconds. Pass to number 14. Oh, still by Samuel. First team foul.
Sammy, move her up.
15. Yes, 2 points by number 15. Score 6-2. Favor of Team Maps. Remaining time 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Deal. Ball attacking. Blue ball, assemble. Blue ball, blue ball. Low. 99, pass to 29. Wave up, no good. Wave up, Mateo. Oh! Basket down. Number 38 foul. First team foul. 2 points by Teo. Score 6-4. Ready to rebound, guys. Meantime, 5 minutes. The rebound. Yes, 1 point by Teo. Yes, 2 points by 30. Score 8-5. Teo. Ay, double trouble there. Grable. Score 8-5. Turning to Samuel. Time is running. 10 minutes and 55 seconds. Number 16, Leo. Last play, number 15. Oh, foul. Number 15, pushing foul. Second team foul by Team Gray. Number 9, Teo. Shoot, no good. Rebound by 29. Shoot, no good again. 21. Yes, 2 points by number 21. Low.
Kasi hindi ka naglaro.
Oy! Stepping on the line, number 12. Get confused? Just step on the line. Oy! Again. Blue ball. Stepping on the line again. Wait guys. Wait.
Yun.
Wait, time's out.
Yun, let's play.
Wait.
Play. Play like ready for the ball.
29. Ay, trouble again. Great ball. Remaining time 2 minutes and 8 seconds. Our first period. Score 8-7. Sama. Oh good. Blocked by Teo. 14. Yes, 2 points by number 14. Score 10-7. No. Number 6, Dio. Foul. Oh, foul. Number 16. First personal foul. Second team foul. Sama. Dio. Big Dio. 29. Yes, 2 points for number 29. Shoelace. Okay. Stop. Wait. Remaining time 1 minute and 16 seconds. Score 10-9.
Bucks is the best team after the
Okay, good.
last time was
Samuel. Pass to 30. It's by 19. And Samuel again. Yes, 2 points by Samuel. Score 12-9. Yeah. Teo. Pass by McLean. Steal by Samuel. To McLean. Soto. Yes, 2 points by number 15. Score 14-9. Number 19. Pass to Teo. Right. Oh. Number 1. 13 foul. Remaining time 10 seconds. Okay guys. 20 seconds. 5 seconds. time, guys.
When it's time out, you press that one button. Is the camera off? No, it's the
End of our first quarter. Score 14-9 in favor of Team Bear.
Snipe, shoot it.
Back to the ball game. Our second quarter. Score 14-19. Back to the ball game for our second quarter. Blue ball.
I-announce mo lang yung next game. Patriots. A to Z. Daddies.
Patriots.
A to Z Daddies.
Ano po yun?
A to Z. Daddies.
For our next game, A to Z Daddies versus
Swish kebab.
Swiss Kebab. For our next game, prepare our next game. Swiss Daddy versus Swiss Kebab. Wait guys. Okay, Theo. Make the ball. 2-point, blue good. On the bounce, blue ball. Time out. Team blue. Time out, team blue.
It's a food. Popular dish consisting
Oh,
foods of meat.
Prepare our next game. Patriots versus Swiss Kebab.
But
Yeah, no, it's good. They have time out there. Yeah, they have time out. Yeah, just keep it there.
So good and easy. Sir, gusto ko yan.
Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game. Blue ball. Blue.
Actually, money that much. Huh?
how many diamonds can you get?
Money that much.
Seven. In the NBA,
Hey, steal by Samuel. And pass by Theo. Number 14. Wow! Number 21. First team foul by Team Blue.
I don't think so.
First team foul. Remaining time 9 minutes and 10 seconds.
It's like,
Is it me or that on that safety? I don't know.
14. No good. Ready to rebound. Score 14-9. 5 points lead by Team Gray. Nice. Well, next game, Patriots versus Swish Kabal. 14? Yes, to 1 point by number 14. 21. Oh, steal by McLean. To Samuel. Pass to 30. Foul. Number 16. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Jump ball. Gray ball.
So much for red.
My defense!
Gray ball.
Sus!
What is it? In the ring.
8 minutes remaining.
Nice one, Sus! Guard Samuel, Sus!
To 14. No good. Rebound by. Oh! Low ball. Out of bounds on Team Gray.
Good catch, shit.
Dio. Milano. Ivan. Foul for the out of bounds, number 29. Gray ball. McLean. Oh! Foul. 21 pushing foul. 2. Second personal foul. 13 foul. Blue ball. Out of bounds. Samuel. Remaining time 6 minutes and 46 seconds.
Treating it like I don't really like this.
21. Mateo. No foul. It's good. 14 to Samuel. Take by 14 again. Steal. Steal back there. Foul. Who's fouled up? Number 14. Gray. First personal foul, first team foul. To 19. Dribbling the ball. Gray. Shoot. No good. Rebound by 21. Yes, 2 points by number 21. Score 15-11.
Sus!
No, hell no.
Samuel, no good. Rebound by number 30. 2 points. Go.
Go!
Number 14.
Sus!
Trying to pass.
What the?
Pass back. Good. Take by Theo. Nice steal by number 99. 23, 24. No good. 21. Take by Theo. Private. Yes, 2 points by Theo. Score 15-13. Remaining time 4 minutes and 57 seconds. Samuel.
Get someone, Sus!
2-point shot. No good. Rebound by 21 to Theo. Theo, arrest by McLean. Oh. To 19. Play. No good to 21. Stay by by Samuel.
Defense!
Number 14, Jesus. Oh.
Hands
Number
up!
30.
Hands up!
Pass to Samuel.
Hands up!
Wow. Smaller.
Sus, don't push!
Number 21.
Sus, get him down!
That is your third personal foul. Warning for penalty. Warning for
Sus!
penalty. Team blue.
Sus, Samuel!
I remember like, wait, you want one?
Pass to 29 again. Out of bounds. Blue ball, blue ball. Blue ball. Blue ball. Pass to 21. Malaki. Take by Dale. Blocked by Samuel. Traveling violation by number 21. Remaining time 3 minutes and 6 seconds. Prepare next game. Patriot versus Shwishkabov. But they're not good. Oh, good. Rebound by number 2. Oh, blocked by number 29. Take by number 21. Take by number 29. Jay. No good. Steal by Samuel. Steal again by Theo. The 21. Pass to. Okay, take by McLean. McLean, JB the ball. Steal by Clay. Theo. Remaining time 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Theo. No good. Rebound. Samuel, take the Samuel. Jesus. Oh, no good. Rebound by Clay. Last 2 minutes. Hey. No good. Knocked by number 30. Take to Samuel. Samuel to Zeus. Out of bounds. Blue ball. Blue ball. Blue ball. Remaining time 1 minute and 36 seconds. Hey. Pass to Theo. Foul. Foul McLean. Oh. Wait. Number McLean, that is your second personal foul, second team foul. Impound by Theo. Take number 21. To Dre. Steal by Samuel. Only one layup. Take by Clay. 50 seconds. Pass to Theo. Theo. Wow. Number 15. That is your third personal foul, McLean. Third team foul. Remaining time 34 seconds. First attempt by Theo. Yes, 1 point by Theo. Score 15-14. Remaining time 34 seconds. For a second period. No good. Take by 30. Pass to McLean. Samuel. To number 2. Take the 30. Again. To Samuel again. 2 points. Yes, 2 points by Samuel. Score 17-14. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. Nice game for a second period. Prepare for our next game. Patriots versus Shwishkabov.
From the first kill to the burn, let's go.
third quarter. Gray ball, gray. Gray ball. Take steal by Teo. Yeah. Oh, good. Rebound by McLean. Take behind that to Teo. To 29, Gray. No good. Rebound by Clay. Oh! Blue ball, blue ball. Number 15 out of bounds. Oh. Pass to Clay. Oh, foul. D0. That is your first personal foul, first team foul.
Ang funny.
Minutes out, 9 minutes. Gray ball, guys. Gray ball again. Take by Sam. Sam, no good, too strong. Samuel, yes, 2 points by Samuel. Score 19-14. Okay, stay there, okay? Today, no trouble in violation. Substitution left. Substitution. Substitution. Sub. Okay. Ready. Sam. Returning. Number 30. Back to Samuel. 2 points. Oh, not good. Rebound by Sam. Samuel again. 2 points. No good. Rebound by number 21. 21. Out of bounds, number 30. Blue ball.
Jasper.
25. Take by Samuel. Steal by Samuel. Number 1. Oh! Take by number 7 to Theo. Number 7. Pass. Take by
Oh yeah.
Very good. The 21. Wow. Number 15. 15, that is your first personal foul. Fourth personal foul, first team foul. Second team foul. Number 7. Okay. Oh, good. Rebound by McLean. Number 16, Theo. That is your third personal foul, first team foul. Remaining time, 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Prepare our next game. Patriots versus Swiss Kebab. No good. Rebound by Teo. Teo's dribbling the ball. Trying to drive. Pass to Clay. No good. Rebound by Samuel. Nick Peluzana. Yes, 2 points by Luzana. Score 21-14. Good, still good. Teo. Steal by Luzana. Pass to Samuel. Samuel. Yes, 2 points by Samuel. Score 23-14. Hey, foul. Number 1. Second personal foul. Third team foul, number 1. Second personal. Winning time, 4 minutes and 25 seconds. Dale. Shoot. No good. Rebound by Luzana again. Steal by Teo. The Zeus. Yes, 2 points by number 21. Score 23-16. The winning time 2 minutes and 52 seconds. Prepare next game. ATS versus Swish Kebab.
Still there.
Luzana.
Is it there or fourth?
Dale. Take by Zeus. Oh! 99-7. Oh, steal by Samuel. Luzana. Solo. Lay up. Yes, 2 points by Luzana. Score 25-16.
John, how much time left?
3 minutes.
Dale. Second personal foul, warning for penalty. 29. Penalty. Penalty. Penalty, guys. Art, that is your second personal foul, penalty. Penalty, guys. Last shot, rebound. Rebound by Samuel. Steal by Teo. Teo dribbling the ball. Last by Luzana. Teo, 2 points. No good. Rebound back at Teo. Jesus. Teo again. No good. It was dead. Backboard. Grable Gray. Limiting time, 1 minute and 32 seconds. Substitution then. Substitution. Sub at McLean A. Winning time, 1 minute and 17 seconds. Still by Dre. Up. Out of bounds. Gray ball again. 1 minute and 5 seconds. Samuel.
Get MVP and give me some of your cookies, man.
Pass to McLean. To Art. No good. Dale. Dale. Oh. Too strong. Jumbo. Great. Blue ball. Time out. Time out. Team Blue. Well, next game. Patriots versus Swish Kebab. Score 25-17 in favor of Team Gray Abs. And remaining time 37 seconds to the third quarter. Back to the ball game. Third quarter. Second to the last quarter. Remaining time 37 seconds. Blue ball. Blue ball. Blue ball. There. Blue ball. No good. Rebound. Gray ball. Remaining time. Last 22 seconds. 20. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the third period. Score 25-17. 8 points lead by Team Gray. Abs. Sorry. Prepare our next game. Patriots versus Swish Kebab. Next game. Back to the ball game for the final quarter and the last game. Under 11. Abs versus Bucks. Blue ball. Pass it in. Pass it. Foul. timeout. Injury. Okay. Blue ball, blue ball.
Down 3. He came down.
There. Tail.
Nice.
2 points.
One more.
Good to 99. No good again. Out of bounds. Great.
There, good shot.
Winning time 8 minutes and 46 seconds. Score 27-17. Prepare next game. Patriots versus Swiss Cabal.
Get it.
Samuel.
Foul number 99. Second personal foul, first team foul, number 99.
Lapit lang po.
14 to Samuel na yan.
Oh! Oh, still right there! Down! Layup! Foul!
Foul, foul. Number 14. That 14, that is your third personal foul. Second team foul.
Again. Shoot. 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 Shoot.
2 shots, guys. 2 shots. 2 shots.
Miguel. Shoot.
2 shots. Ready to rebound.
One more. Oh. Miguel, shoot. Miguel, shoot.
Okay, Samuel.
Okay, how the score is 17 to 25.
Samuel. No good. Rebound by 21 to Zeus. Mateo. Mateo.
Shoot.
And the shoot. No good. Rebound by Dre. Dre. Blocked by Sam.
Shoot.
Mateo. Mateo again. Dre. Shoot. No good. Rebound by Zeus. No good again. Oh, foul. Number 21. Pushing foul. Grable. Number 21. That is your fourth personal foul. Second team foul. Sana to Samuel. Oh! Out of bounds. Substitution.
It's four.
Remaining time 6 minutes. Sana. Line to pass to Samuel. Samuel. Driven ball to Lusana. 2 points. No good. Rebound by McLean. Yes! 2 points by McLean. Score 27-17. 10 points lead by Team Bay. Agra. Dale. Shoot ball. No good again. Rebound by McLean. Pass to Samuel. To Lusana. No good to McLean. No good again. Lusana to Art. Foul. It's foul lip. Number 99. That is your third personal foul, third team foul.
3 minutes.
Samuel. Day. Oh, good. Rebound by Teo. Teo on the rush. No good. Take by Lozana. Lozana. Oh, no good. Traveling violation by Art. Remaining time 4 minutes and 22 seconds. Blue ball, blue ball. Blue ball. Instead, pass to Teo. 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 Russell. 2 points by Teo. Score 27-19. Last 4 minutes. Samuel. Drive. No good. Take by Teo. Teo. Going to drive. Side step, pass to Dre. No good. Rebound by Sam. To McLean. McLean. To Lozana. No good to McLean. Yes, 2 points by McLean. 89-19. 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Play. Play. 1 versus 3. Play. To Teo. Teo. Foul. 3-0.
Miguel, Miguel.
30, that is your third personal foul. 13 foul. Sub. Remaining time 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Prepare next game. Pete Leons versus Swiss Kebab. Blue ball.
Try.
Day. Foul. Traveling violation by Day.
Down.
Gray ball.
Shoot.
Guys, time is running. 2 minutes and 23 seconds.
Nice one, Zeus.
Steal by Zeus.
One more, Zeus.
2 minutes and 10 seconds. Oh, still by Clay. Clay. Oh, no good. Take by Simon. It's by Clay. Say five. 19. Sparting.
Go.
Okay, 19. First personal foul, warning for penalty. Number 19. Last 2 minutes, stop time. We have stop time. 2 minutes. 1 seconds. Sige lang. Oh! Jump ball.
Zeus, inbound.
Blue ball. Blue ball.
Go play.
Ay, backboard. Gray ball.
Defense.
Remaining time, 1 minute and 48 seconds. Lozana on the bounce again. Gray ball again. Prepare next game, Pete Leon versus Swiss Kebab. Lozana to Samuel. To Lozana again. Oh, out of bounds. Blue ball. Wait. Pass the ball to the referee, guys. Remaining time, 1 minute and 43 seconds. Day. Drive. No good. Take by Samuel. Foul by number 21. Penalty. Graduate number 21, sorry. But you are fouled out now. Substitution. Good. Good job. Sub. Two-point shot. Sub again. Sub. Wait. Okay. Two-point shot. Nice. 1 point. Score 13-19. Prepare next game. Patriots versus Swish Kebab. Last shot by Samuel. 1 point by Samuel. 31-19. Tail. Remaining time 1 minute and 26 seconds. Tail. Drive. Pass to Clay. Clay. No good. Rebound by Tail again. To Dre. Wow. Number 14. Sam. Warning for graduate. Warning for penalty also. Remaining time 1 minute and 15 seconds. First attempt. 2 shots. Good. Last attempt. Rebound. Prepare next game. Patriots versus Swish Kebab. Last shot, rebound. No good. Take by Day again. Day. No good. Rebound by Samuel. Traveling violation by Samuel. Substitution left. Substitution. Luzana out. Carry in and out. Sub. McLean out. Okay, good. Remaining time, 1 minute and 15 seconds. Play! Trying to shoot the ball. No good! Who's gonna take the ball? Oh, Dale! 2-1 shot, no good! Rebound by Dale. Blue ball. Sam out of bounds. Remaining time, 59 seconds. 59.
Come back.
59 seconds remaining. Prepare for the next game. Patriots versus Swish Kebab.
Shoot!
Dale. No good. Alas. Gray ball. Remaining time, 53 seconds. 53 seconds. Score 31-19. 11 lead for the team Mavs. Sorry. Samuel. 45 seconds to Sam. Trying to take by. 0-2 to Sam. Samuel again. 30 seconds. No good. Traveling violation. Remaining time, last 23 seconds. Substitute. Last 23 seconds for our fourth period. You're gonna take it. Take by Sam. 15 seconds. Number 99. 10. 8 seconds left. 31-21. 10 points lead by Team Mavs. 8 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice game. Shake hands, guys. Nice game. Winner, Team Mavs, 31-21. Shake hands. Shake